No.
Tekus. Yep.
That was Georg. He's one of my all-time best friends. And it was a delight. But I have a feeling. You hear that?
No. What's up?
Hey.
Giv mig noget på mig.
Det er så mange år, hvor det var med min. Der kan noget gøre mig op.
Adventure guide. Kan jeg ikke bestå, ikke?
Øjen.
Nu.
Der er jo ikke sejret, der giver du. Jeg tror, det er sådan noget giver.
But we gotta do stuff. Aviaq lloraffiarlaaniippoq. Kiusinkunarpoq. Tennissigaartortussaava antaria prosinnimmatusior. So unnussuutuanut antaria takusussaangilerput. Anaan taqqamannisinippoq. And before we do that, let's have another quick training montage.
The view.
Ja, vil du mukke dem med? Man kan jo bruge dem her til alt det der.
Så vi don't have noget sådan noget. Hun har
This one.
Hvad fanden er det?
It's for fake flowers. Altså det er til julepynt.
Nej. Det er du håbløs.
Der står fresh flowers.
Bye.
Fresh flowers, bye.
Nice. Stadig det med kimflikuntakosa.
Breadani tuluni.
What do you need?
I don't know. I just saw something. I don't know. She's a hard one to give.
Tunisia. Sudan.
I don't know.
Plants.
It's a plant.
Hey.
Alright, next destination, Qujanaraasit. Du skulle da tage det grejer til Qanaraasit.
Hi.
Hi, Uyo.
How are you doing, man?
Pretty stressed out,
But
but I'm doing all right, I guess.
god arbejdslyst.
Thank you.
Klar, siger du? Det kan jeg huske. Bitte sexy beasts. Det er
Oh, that was Danish. But that was hard. Mas good fjernsyn Nivi maharaarsama ananamneraartorluta. It's going to be very exciting. It's been a very productive day. Let's make the most out of it.
Hej Vera.
Nej, jeg ved, man er bearbejder. Eller? Hej då.
Hej då.
Der kan du ikke gøre det, du ser forkert ud.
Det er den samme side.
Kan du meget? Hvor er det?
Nami.
Der. Aqangu. Aqangu. Juaansi. Aqangu. Aqangu på dig. Hvad synes du? Den er ikke. So apparently, and we're going to Aviaq concert.
No.
Okay, dan Katuamut så 3, 2, 1. Okay, we are back. We are back. Ah, your boy is tired, man. No, we did a lot of things today. Really proud of the things we did. And tomorrow, as you can see, we're gonna make a giant fucking pizza, an epic pizza. So we're gonna do that tomorrow. I wanna say thank you. Thank you for watching. And because of you, I can still do this. Your boy is tired. I better get to sleep. We're gonna continue to do more stuff for you. And as always, and I will see you in the next video.